everybody. This is a follow-up video about inscribed shapes, inscribed angles, and central arcs. I already have a beginning video on that, so you definitely want to watch that one first. So, in that other video, we learned that an inscribed angle was half of the central arc, or a central arc was double its inscribed angle. So this problem puts that in the same context, but just a little bit more complicated because there's a lot more angles to look at. Now, I'm not even really going to pay much attention to this question. Eventually, we need to find this angle, okay, eventually. But I think it's going to be several steps before we get there. So I'm just going to write some things down that I know. So I see a 61-degree angle. It's vertical here, so this angle is also 61 degrees. I know that. In the prior video, we made this observation. SE is a diameter. Now look carefully. The angle that starts at D touches the circle at S and E. So its arc is half of a circle. This arc is a 90-degree, or sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. This arc is a 180-degree angle because it's half of a circle. So that means its inscribed angle is 90 degrees. So now, look carefully. We have this small triangle, DIE. Okay, triangle die. We know two of the angles. We know 90 and 61. So we can find this small angle. So 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 minus 61 makes this small angle a 29-degree angle. So now let's see what else we might know. Well, we know that these two angles together, 27 plus 29, so that angle is 56 degrees. Picture's going to get a little convoluted here. So that's a 56-degree angle. And now we're ready to find angle ISE. So how do you do it? We have to be very careful. We're going to look at this triangle. I'm going to outline it in blue. In that triangle, we already know a right angle, 90 degrees. We know this angle, 56 degrees. And since we know two of the angles, it means we can subtract from 180 to find the third one. So 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 minus 56, I think, is 34. And hopefully I got this right. You'll see down here I'm on question 4 of 4. I know you guys hate it when you get 3 out of 4 because then you have to do it again if you want a 100. Anyway, that's correct. So don't get scared of these more complicated diagrams. Get some colored pens or pencils, and you can draw the shape. If you have if you can have a tablet that you can write on, you can do pretty much exactly what I did. But anyway, that's the end of this follow-up video on inscribed shapes. Hope it helped.